Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we have another David Shannon book and this one is called No David. So let's go ahead and get started. David's mom always said, "No David!" Oh, David is writing on the walls. Are you guys allowed to do that? No David! Oh, he was gonna try to get the cookies. Uh-oh. Would you imagine he would have gotten the cookies? It's a big jar. What do you think would have happened if he would have gotten the cookies? He would have fallen. No, David, no! Oh my goodness. Look at him. He's filled with mud. Looks like he was having a good time outside. Look at the water! No, no, no! Come back here, David! David escaped after taking a bath. Hey, David needs to put clothes on. David, be quiet! Don't play with your food. Okay, we don't play with our food. But that's pretty funny. That's enough, David. David, close your mouth. Go to your room. Settle down. Stop that this instant. Put your toys away. He has a huge mess. I have an idea. Do you guys want to help David out a little bit? Because he's been getting a lot in trouble. All right, so what do we want to take away? Okay, first let's clean that up. And that. And that. And one more thing. What do you guys want to clean up? Yep, and that. Yay! Okay, we cleaned up a little bit, okay? Just at least a little. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. He broke the vase. Oh my goodness. Davy, come here. Yes, David. I love you. Aww. No matter what, Mom always loves you. That is so cute. All right, you guys, that is the end of No David. I will see you next time. Bye.